Are you the type of person that is very particular about how your garage looks, especially after doing detailing? Are you the kind of person that doesn't want anything on the shelves, you don't want anything exposed on carts, and you want to be able to take your cart and put it away? The Adams Foldable Detailing Cart is a great option for you. This is something that you can take, you can fold it up, and you can stow it away very easily, keeping your garage nice and clean and nice and tidy. You might have a little bit smaller of a garage where the 2 cars you own or the 1 car you own just barely fit in there and you don't have a lot of extra space to leave stuff out. As you can see, it has rubberized handles on both sides, so really easy to move around. It has a nice little lip on the side. You can hang the products off to the side, so you just have a ton of room to be able to put product all over the place. Now, whether you're somebody that's limited in space or you're somebody that just wants to reduce clutter around their shop or their garage, or you just want to stow away something to get it out of the way, Adams Polishes Foldable Detailing Cart is going to be the cart for you.